at Mavericks. I'm Amber Boaz, Salesforce MVP and User Group Leader. Joining me today is Dal Degan, CEO of SpringCM. Tell us a bit about SpringCM, Dan.
Sure, Amber. Thanks for having me. SpringCM is a Salesforce Platinum ISV partner, headquartered in Chicago, my hometown, and we're a provider of a leading contract management application on the AppExchange. Now, SpringCM is known, in fact, our use case identity is around contracts, as of about 3 years ago when we built this capability on our scalable document management platform, for which we had already been known and become quite popular as a solution for scalable document management in the cloud. And what we do now for about 650 customers is contract management, with the majority of those using Salesforce Sales Cloud or Service Cloud, in particular with Sales Cloud, to speed the processing of contracts through their opportunity funnel.
Awesome. So what is it that makes your contract management app so innovative?
Well, Amber, we innovate in a few key areas. One of them is our integration with Salesforce. So Salesforce customers demand a tight integration with Sales Cloud and Service Cloud at the object model level, which we've accomplished, but we also have built UI components on Lightning, which of course is the prevailing standard for the Salesforce UI. We also innovate in the security and reliability and scalability of our core platform for document management, which not only brings benefits to our Salesforce customers who want those attributes in the way that they deploy contracts integrated with Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, it's also valuable for the federal government and state and local agencies, as we partner very closely with the Salesforce public sector team and applications for public sector. In fact, we are FedRAMP certified now, which is the US government certification process for cloud-based applications to confirm scalability and reliability.
So tell me a bit about some of your customers and how they're using SpringCM.
Some of my favorite customer stories include Facebook, who brought us in not just as a contract management solution, but also to manage HR onboarding. If you think of document workflow intensive processes, you certainly think of contracts, but HR and the process of onboarding a new employee, including recruiting them, signing them up, doing all the HR-related benefits administration, is again an example of a workflow-intensive, document-intensive process. So Facebook counts on us for that full spectrum of functionality. We're also deployed extensively by Uber. Uber brought us in as a contract management solution to solve the problem of trying to speed the process of going from contract to closure in their opportunity funnels. What they also found they were able to do is to get control of all of the rigor and compliance they wanted to establish and how they negotiate contracts and the terms to which they are willing to agree without slowing down the process, which they've accomplished with their deployment of SpringCM. Finally, I'll highlight the Gates Foundation. We were brought in by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation as the platform for grant management. If you think of all the organizations that apply to a big 501c3 charitable organization like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, they were having trouble, and we are now helping them scale much faster to higher volumes of grant applications to process those more quickly and decide which of the organizations they're going to fund so that they can get to execution and philanthropic deployment of funds faster.
That all sounds amazing. Can we see a demo?
We'd love to show you a demo. Take a look here and we'll demonstrate the functionality I've been talking about. So let's create a contract. Starting with document creation, SpringCM can generate documents through an intuitive user interface. Data from Sales Cloud, CPQ, and other related objects can be used to create simple or sophisticated contracts. Next, SpringCM can engage external parties to collaborate in a monitored redlining experience. For internal users, such as legal, procurement, and sales, SpringCM's term library allows you to negotiate with confidence by using contract clauses already approved by your legal department. Through SpringCM process workflow and e-signature integrations, the process flows seamlessly from negotiation through to closure. Finally, because SpringCM provides an integrated repository and workflow, documents and your Salesforce data are automatically kept up to date and in sync, so contracts close faster and with no surprises.
That all looks awesome. Where can I learn more about SpringCM?
Come visit us on the Salesforce AppExchange or at springcm.com. We'd love to host you.
Thanks so much for your time, Dan.
Thanks, Amber.